Good afternoon, y'all. We starting this vlog off where I'm about to go to the gym. What? Yeah, y'all call you back. Alright. I'm about to go to the gym, y'all. And then when we come back, I'm gonna try to give Dior a haircut. Cause he looking hot food mess. It's looking like it's hot outside. But I'm about to show y'all my outfit that we finna wear to this gym. And we finna get, I don't know if my son got my water cup. I don't need that much water, but this is the outfit that I'm wearing to the gym. Yep, with my Nike shoes. Yep. I've been working. I'm looking good because, you know, my stomach. Girl, I'm getting it together. I've been working out. I've been going to the trail. And now I'm finna go to the gym to tone because I've been walking. But I want to, you know, do some arm exercises, some ab, some leg work. So that's what we doing today. And I probably will put my little waist trainer on and stuff when I get back so that I can, you know, yeah, but we ain't too far off the gold. You know, back ain't too backing. You know what I'm saying? My rose is going down. Because I got 3 more weeks. We supposed to be going out of town. So that's why I'm putting in this work. Because I got to look good. You feel me? So let's hit it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I can turn y'all around now. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. But yeah, let's hit this gym. DeAndre. I'm gonna get my son because I'm going with him. It's his gym membership, so I'm going with him, child. Why my face always be looking ass shit? I don't know. I'm about to need some lip gloss. Or some lotion. Vaseline, something. But I'll hit y'all back when we get to the gym. I ain't no cameraman, Troy. What up, y'all? Don't put it in there. Put it in the back seat with y'all.
Start driving crazy.
Oh.
Mama, drive fast. Hell no. Let me drive. You drive. I'm riding with DeAndre. No, Deanna, you really need to be riding with DeAndre. You're going to be driving fast. Because I'm driving with you.
You're not finna be driving fast with these kids in the car. What's up, y'all? This is another day. Cali's birthday was yesterday, so today I ain't pick up the camera yesterday. It is hot.
Little kids over there.
I really didn't no.
Titi said the little kids in the big windows.
No, hell no, they not riding with me. No, they're riding with you. I ain't finna be hearing all that in my car. What is that on me? No, get out. They not riding with me, bro. No, my car is not the fucking little kid car. No. No. No, I don't care. No.
Mom, you already know Mama don't be driving. Mookie, get your ass in the back.
Anyway, we finna take the kids to the beach. Anyway, we finna go get some gas and then
Yes, they is. That's what Mama said.
Nope, you staying here. Because you was being bad today. I told you, didn't I tell you was staying here? Huh? You was being bad. Yes, you was. How? Let me tell you. Remember all that smart talking you was doing? Remember when I told you to stay out the dog's face? What you kept doing?
I never went.
You did. Yes, you did.
Which dog?
The big dog.
Who was that?
How you didn't know that and I told you that?
I thought you said no.
No, I said both dogs. So come on, let me walk you in this house. Go with your granny. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't run to your mama now. Don't run to your mama. Let's go. Let's go. I told you you're not going. I told you. No, I ain't letting you go. Come on. I told you. I told you. You thought it was a game. You thought it was a game, didn't you? Yeah, I will do that. You be bad next time. I'm going to show you better than I could tell you. That's what you do to kids like that. That's bad. You terrorize they butt. Come on.
You don't want no follow-up.
Just get in the car for everybody that ain't getting in the car. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
I'm getting back in the... Mama, see, they
Get out. Come on.
every time.
Get out. Let's go.
I just said no kids driving in his car.
Come on. Yeah, come on, Cali. Let's. Huh? Oh, okay. Damn. You coming too? And DeAndre car?
Let me see who in there.
Come on. You ain't got to get in the back. Huh? Put that seat back.
Oh my God. Y'all just want to ride with us because we riding.
Okay. We'll be back. Y'all, it's kind of dark, but we made it. We made it. Come on. Y'all can walk. We made it. DeAndre, we can bring the cooler. Once we find the spot, let's find the spot first. Come on, what are you doing? Find the spot, Deja.
Right here. Mama, how about let's go? Yeah, really. Wait. Why is OJ back all the way back?
DeAndre, did you want to bring the cooler? Oh shit, the sand is sanding.
It wasn't smart to wear these, but it's not my fault. I didn't have.
Why? I told you to.
I didn't have no sandals.
Oh Lord, this sand is. The wind is winding. Deja, let's walk down a little bit more. You want to do it right here? Y'all want to post that right here? Oh shit. Nah, that's the rock right there.
Right here. Right here.
Yeah, where we gonna sit at? On the curb? That's why I brought that blanket.
Ma, you can have from
Right here?
yeah. You can have from beach stuff like the sand thing you have.
Right here.
Don't kick the sand.
Stop booming.
Stop kicking the sand.
No socks on.
Oh, it's hot. You need something to hold it down.
It's
I
hot.
need to actually
We gon'
warm holes in
yeah.
and dig this, put the sand in it. Y'all never seen the beach preparation?
Oh, this sand hot as hell.
Literally.
Can we go to the water?
Can you wait until we get done putting everything down? You could put the beach bag on top.
Put it on the top.
Yeah, I know.
Damn, I was supposed
Your shoes could be in the sand, not on the thing.
to. Now your band-aid comes. Okay, take a picture.
mama, can I take my stuff off?
Yeah.
I'm doing this. Your mama the one who be having tripod and shit out. Cause you supposed to be telling me what the fuck I'm supposed to be doing like this.
Oh, I'm still recording. Y'all taking a picture? Look at the girls. Why you looking like that, Mookie?
Alright, take your shirt off. It's up here. Give me your shirt.
We can't pull that bottle out. No, pull that bottle out. Yeah. Cali, tell the people to tell you happy birthday, girl. Junior. RJ. Oh.
He's good at single.
Yeah, you ain't supposed to sit down yet.
Oh, they messed up the whole thing.
Cali, is you having a good time?
Did you?
I am. Damn. Is you?
Okay, come on. Oh, wait. I need to open.
We're having a good time. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. Hey,
Okay, come on.
the speaker right there.
Who want to play tennis? Who want to play tennis?
Dang, yeah, you was real. We finna play tennis
Wait.
on the beach. You recording?
Dude.
So I can do this?
Yeah. Yeah. Go scoot over, RJ.
Who was
Yeah, and some meat. And
Come on. Three.
hold on, child.
So we can make this
Mama.
Of course, we brought the cooler
How y'all?
with sandwiches.
This?
Mama.
I told Kenny should have opened them first. What? Throw the ball. He ain't even paying attention.
Come on. 3, 2, 1.
Exactly. Oh my God, Cali. No. Put it on here.
No.
Bounce it on here. Bounce.
How we gonna?
Hold on, child. Let's close this. No, hell no. Hell no. This is not going as planned, this tennis. I'm finna go get my butt back in the water. Let's go get back in the water. Oh, my hair is messed up. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up. The wind is blowing. You can literally dry off. I'm drying. I'm drying off. But Cali birthday was a success, even though we had a little hiccup because this is not the beach we wanted to go to. We wanted to go to another one called Twin Point, but they was full. You gotta pay $20. And thank God they was full because this one is free. Free parking, free entry. It's further because I think Twin Point is like 20-some minutes away. But this one is 40 minutes away, so another 20 minutes. But who cares, baby? It's nice. Then they got a little ramp where you can you can walk over the lake. So clock it. Good job. We did a good job. So we're gonna go home. We got a birthday cake. We're gonna sing happy birthday. We brought sandwiches. Kanisha brought sandwiches. She brought a meat tray. We got water. We got juice for the kids. We got towels, baby. We got sunscreen. We was prepared, okay? And I'm finna pass the fuck out. I'm tired. Oh, y'all hear the music. I'm finna pass out. I'm tired, but before we go, let's get one more view up close. Let's go to the water, child. Let's run. Let's run. See Cali. See the birthday girl. One time for the birthday girl. 2 times for the birthday girl. 3 times for the birthday girl. 2. Good job.
3.
Okay. Ooh, Mina, you did it. Now you gotta hold your breath for a long time. Some people can hold their breath for 3 minutes.
Let me try.
So come on, swim.
3. Let me try.
Just kick and come this way. Come on. Good job.
Are you using your hands?
You use your hands.
Because I
Don't use your hands. Oh, you can put it front, but don't use your hands. Okay, come on. 3, 2, 1, go.
I use my leg.
Yeah, see? But you could go further. Trust yourself. Trust the process. Hold, take in a deep breath and hold it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good job. Did you use your hand? Did you hold the ground, Cali? You can't hold, don't hold the ground. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Okay.
Don't hold the ground, but hold your nose and kick. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick. Keep going. You stopping. Stop. Don't stop. You got a lot of, hold, take in a deep breath and hold it.
Do a guiding class.
Okay? 3, take in a deep breath. Take in a deep breath and hold it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job.
Wait. I can do it more.
Okay. You can do it longer.
Yeah. Let me do it one more time.
You need to be able to come to my legs. You need to be able to swim to my legs. Look at him again. Take a deep breath before you hold your breath. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on. You using your arms. Yes, you did. It is.
I didn't use my arms. Mama. I didn't use my arms.
You cannot hold. Don't use your arm to swim. Use your arm to swim.
So don't grab. No,
I'm not.
Don't grab, just swim.
I am not.
Grab.
No, I don't have no money.
Just like do this with my arm. Mama.
Your husband said it was cool.
Oh, well, if he said
Mama,
this.
do this with my arm.
Yes. Now go back.
Okay, come on, come on. Well, I can't go over there. It's not hard.
Come on. Don't use your arm. Use your arm to navigate. You're supposed to use your arm to navigate and use your legs to go forward. All right? 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Good job. Good job. You ain't going nowhere, but good job.
I didn't go nowhere.
You went a little bit, but you got to keep going. You got to keep going.
Okay.
Try to move your arms 5 times. Okay? That's 1. Look at my arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to do that. You should reach me then. Now go. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Look at you. Look where you at. Look where you at. You by me. She used her arm. Good job. You did it. See?
It was hard.
Yeah, I know it's hard. Swimming is hard. Now bag up. One more time. Come on. No, it ain't feel good.
That's because you just got out the water. You still drown out. I've been out the water for a minute. I'm cold.
3, 2, 1, go. Nope. Nope.
I want to swim with poo-poo. I want to swim with poo-poo.
Yeah, Poo-poo. I got my camera. I got my camera. Okay. Comment down below and tell Cali she did a good job swimming. And yeah.
I be cheating. I be cheating. I started going back.
How did you swim it so on the
Poopa, I'm finna get your ass back. I just want you to
I am in the water.
Don't do that.
But
I ain't finna get you.
I can't go too close because these kids is splashing and I don't want my camera to get wet.
I've been a big dog fool, I was never a rat. If you catch me talking in facts, I put the hood on my back.